to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Thursday. The Dow was the sole U.S. index to close in the green, up marginally on the day. The Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500 closed lower, and the small cap Russell 2000 closed around 1% down. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 6 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors closed higher, with utilities leading the way, up around 1.3%. Real estate followed. To the downside, however, tech was the biggest loser, falling nearly 1.6% as Apple continued its downward spiral, with materials right behind. Looking at some stocks on the move, Apple fell again as concern grows for the impact of an iPhone government ban in China. While some analysts say the impact will be minimal, others are taking note of Apple's huge exposure to China and the fact that Apple has been experiencing slower growth over the past few quarters. Shares closed down around 3%. Seagate shares closed around 11% lower after a downgrade at Barclays and the broader tech sector pressuring the stock. Barclays took the stock to equal weight from overweight with a price target of $65 a share. That's less than $2 above where the shares closed. It came a day after Seagate announced plans to offer up to $1.3 billion in senior notes. And the United Auto Workers Union rejected General Motors' latest contract offer, calling it insulting a week ahead of the contract deadline. The offer includes a 16% wage increase when the union asked for a 46% bump. Ford and Stellantis workers are also a part of the union. 97% of members voted to authorize a strike if the parties cannot come to an agreement. Shares for GM, Ford, and Stellantis all closed lower. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. On the earnings front, Kroger, Rent the Runway, and Hooker Furnishings all report before the bell to close out the week. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.